Hey, it's John Marc, and thanks for checking out my videos on teaching you how to draw a cartoon. Today's episode, in 3 easy steps, I'm going to share with you how you can create this cute little piggy. Alright, so if you have your big piggy pencil and some piggy paper, I think we're ready to go. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun video on that little cute little piggy. In 3 easy steps, you can take this to the next step for sure. You could ink it and color it. And make sure, as always, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do. I appreciate that. And for all my buds that have done that, big thumbs up for you guys. All right, so have a great day. Thanks again. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.